We're at the pretty Pender Bay. As you can see, there's these glorious looking rainbow cliffs which remind us so much of Rainbow Cliff in East Arnhem Land. And there's caves here to explore. Let's have a look. We're staying here for a couple of nights, and it's very much like East Arnhem Land at Rainbow Cliff, but it's somewhat safer to swim here because there's some rock pools and things like that. That's our van's right up there on the hill. This is Cygnet Bay Pearl Farm, and we've just come to have a look at the campgrounds to decide whether or not we want to stay. Adam's keen to go in for a spear. I don't know if the water visibility is good enough. What do you think? So we're at the caravan sites here at Cygnet Bay Pearl Farm. I think most of them come with power and water, and then there is this cool looking fire pit in here. You're a little bit back from the ocean. It's a little bit warm here. It's either stay at Pender Bay or move over here. Can you get him open?
Yep, so I got him open. So ladies, you'd like to follow me over just to this wooden table just in here. And I'll pig on the heel just on the side here. Take this one out, place it with this clamp just in here. So with this clamp just in here, that I'm not going to snap open the abductor muscle, that I'm going to kill the oyster. So that's pretty much how much room your technician's got to work with. Yeah? One of our oysters has a little house crab that lives in there.
What?
And he lives just in there. And he only lives in the pink Tara maxima. Can you see him down there?
Is there actually a crab in there? Oh, there is a crab in there!
That's a bird of a brand new pearl, so I'm gonna take him out of more. Come on, rub there, mate.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's the end result, ladies, after,
That's
after 2
insane.
years. Yeah? That's the end result
Crazy.
after 2 years. So, got a slight little drop shape to that one, but still pretty stoked.
Things are a bit serious. The bash plate is off. We've got a lot of play in this wheel.
one moved. Rotate that around a bit. That's heaps better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should get us out of trouble for a little while.
Well, until we can try and order a new rack and pinion.
I don't like the sound of it. It sounds expensive.
Could be. So it's probably at least getting one new. It's probably going to be a couple of grand. Unless we can find one of these in a wrecker. It's actually not the steering rack, it's this here. That looks like I can get that off.
We've just had a beautiful afternoon here at Cygnet Bay. The boys have been out spearfishing, but Adam drove onto the beach and it's really soft. Let's see if he can make it out. Too easy. Okay, we've decided to come down to the beach to have a bonfire. We've just unloaded some firewood. Adam's been spearfishing all afternoon. We've got loads of fish and all the other families have brought some sides and we're gonna have a big fish cook up. Looking forward to it. This here was our campground at Cygnet Bay Pearl Farm. It was a cracker. So powered site when it works. There's all this space over here too. And it's the only one with water view and it's just a short walk to the amenities. Nice.
And fresh fish for dinner every night.
Oh yeah. See you later, Cygnet Bay.